Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the Iowa Homeschool Mom channel. Today we're going to be sharing our autumn morning basket with you. Now this morning basket will last us through the months of October as well as November. And we're just going to jump right in and we're going to get started with the activities. And the first activity I have for the kids is this Forest Animals sticker activity book by Dover. And I think fall is just a wonderful time to explore forests because of the beautiful colors that are changing on the leaves and just all the animals that are getting ready for the winter. And Dover does not disappoint. The stickers are absolutely beautiful, and they have some beautiful scenes as well that the kids can place the stickers on. So there's that. And then I also have these masks for the kids. I found these on clearance at Target last year. And I have an owl and a fox, so the kids will have fun making these. Then I also got my daughter this little sticker dolly dressing Woodland Fairies activity book from Usborne. And I think she'll just really love dressing the different fairies. It comes with a bunch of different stickers. So here's the stickers. And she just loves fairies, so I thought this would be good for her. There's that. And then also from Usborne, I got the kids these magic painting books, another woodland theme. And then I got them these water brush pins to go with, so I didn't have to worry about a jar of water spilling over while we're doing circle time in the morning. So these just fill up with water. I'll show you guys what the inside looks like. So they just paint with water, and then the different colors will appear. And there's those. Okay. And then lastly, another Dover book, but this one is a Forest Animals sticker coloring book. And we love their coloring books because of their realistic drawings. And they also have educational text at the bottom of the pages. And then for this book, on each page, there's a gray outline where the sticker gets to be placed. That's it for the activities. Okay, and then for movement, we have these fall yoga cards, which I got off of Teachers Pay Teachers, and these are by Yoga Lore. And these have different fun fall poses. So we have scarecrow pose, and a tree pose, falling leaves. And I like these cards as well because they have a little bit of informational text on most of them as well. And I just printed these off and laminated them, cut them out, and then hole punched them to put them on a key ring. So these are a lot of fun. Movement is definitely one of our favorite parts of our morning basket, so we highly enjoy these. And then for Bible, we are revisiting the Jesus Storybook Bible this year. And this is definitely our favorite children's Bible. It has wonderful illustrations, and it goes over the Bible stories without dumbing them down, but it's still presented in an entertaining way for young children. So highly recommend this Bible if you are looking for one for little ones. And then for hymns, we are reviewing Jesus Loves the Little Children from last month. My daughter has the chorus about down, and she loves this one so much that we're going to just continue to review it this month. And then our new hymn is This Little Light of Mine. And I just think this is a really great one to sing as the days start to get shorter and colder. And we're actually going to be doing a lantern craft either this month or next month. So that'll be a really good craft to go with this hymn. And then for Manners and Virtues, we have this adorable picture book titled A Tale of Two Beasts. And this takes place in the fall, but really it's a great book for demonstrating that there are two sides to every story. And while you may have one perspective, someone else or even an animal may have a different perspective. And so the first part of the book is told in the point of view of the little girl. And she takes this little squirrel home and takes care of him. And then the second part of the book is told by the point of view of the squirrel. So you get to see both sides of the story. So yeah, that's just a really cute one with a very good message to it. Okay, for nature, we have the Usborne Woodland book. And this one just has really, really gorgeous illustrations. And I do feel like this may have too much text for my children, but that's okay. We can just kind of use it as a reference book. And we can just read certain things on each page. And then we have some poems, and I found these autumn themed ones off of Etsy, and these are by My Hearth Magic. And they have beautiful watercolor illustrations, and the poems are really entertaining. And this one on top is our absolute favorite, so we've been doing it almost daily. It has some fun actions to it, so the kids enjoy that. But we also have lots of other ones that we go through from time to time. And, you know, basic fall theme, squirrels and leaves, trees. There's also some about pumpkins in here. The jack-o'-lantern, the farmer, and some apple poems at the end there. So those are really neat. And then we've also been incorporating some writing into our morning basket lately. And this was actually initiated by my daughter and not myself. So this month, I've got some dry erase boards and some dry erase markers. And then we have these beautiful alphabet cards by Grimm's. And I found these at Bella Luna Toys. But these are just wonderful reference cards as they're absolutely gorgeous. And these ones are all lowercase letters. But they do have an uppercase set as well. So right now we're just trying to keep things simple and fun and just trying to foster that love for learning right now until she's a little older. So she does have the option of using her dry erase board, but I also have these doodle pads that the kids have if they want to use those as well. So my daughter's been practicing her writing, and then my son just kind of enjoys scribbling and improving those fine motor skills. Okay, and then lastly, we have a few read alouds. And I've been trying to make these as interactive as possible lately since we're not able to attend story time at the libraries right now. Their first read aloud we have is the Tale of Squirrel Nutkin from our Beatrix Potter, The Complete Peter Rabbit book. And I actually found these cute little printable puppets, as so to speak. And again, these are from the My Hearth Magic store on Etsy. And I'll be sure to link this in the description box for you guys. But we have Old Mr. Brown and Squirrel Nutkin. And then it also includes several offerings that they bring Mr. Brown, that the squirrels do. So this has been a lot of fun, and we've been getting our silks out to make the lake and the island that Old Mr. Brown lives on. So another offering that the squirrels bring Mr. Brown. And we've just been using these to go with our story. And if you guys aren't familiar with Beatrix Potter, I highly recommend checking it out. It's such a classic. Again, the illustrations are gorgeous, and it's just such a fun story. They have such fun tales in them. So there's that read aloud. And then lastly, we have another classic read aloud, and this one is Autumn Story from the Brambley Hedge series. And I was able to find a puppet set to go with this story as well, again from the same Etsy shop. So we have some of the mice that live in the hedge, and there's also some different scenes as well. So this one will be a lot of fun. We haven't done this one yet, but we're really looking forward to it. And then the story is about little Primrose, the mouse. She's been picking blackberries, but she ends up getting lost. But luckily she has a safe return home at the inn there. So yeah, that's another sweet little story. Another classic that I would highly recommend. Alright, and that about wraps it up for our autumn morning basket, guys. I'd love to hear what's in your morning basket this month, so be sure to let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this morning basket video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And we'll see you in the next one.